Hey folks, welcome to BitesWellness. Today, we're making one of my favorite dessert melt-in-your-mouth vanilla soufflé with ice. Cream originates from the French word soufflé, means puffed or blown up in French, referring to its light, airy texture, sweet variation of the traditional soufflé, flavored with vanilla like the ones at Chez Napoleon in New York, La Regalade, Paris, France, and The Forge, Abu Dhabi, UAE. The closest recipe is the classic French soufflé made with a base of flavored bechamel or pastry cream, crème pâtissière, combined with whipped egg whites and other sweet soufflés, such as chocolate or lemon soufflés, share the same technique and structure, differing mainly in flavoring. Trust me, this is a game changer. Here's my first pro tip. Whip the egg whites to stiff peaks but avoid overbeating. Then gently fold them into the vanilla custard base in batches to preserve as much air as possible. This careful folding maintains the airy structure needed for the soufflé to rise beautifully and have a light, cloud-like texture. Grab your apron and let's break down the steps. Let's get cooking! Separate the yolks like sending the whites on a mini vacation. Pop those egg whites in the fridge. Chill, little buddies. Add 10 grams of sugar to the yolks. Sweetness incoming. Sprinkle in 13 grams of cake flour. We're keeping it light and fluffy. Mix it all up. No lumps allowed in this kitchen. Pour in 130 milliliters of warm milk, but don't rush. Add it in 2 or 3 parts. Set your stove to medium-low heat. We want gentle warmth, not a hot mess. Keep stirring as it cooks, no clumps please. Once it thickens, cook for another 3 minutes. Patience pays off. Add a splash of vanilla extract for that dreamy aroma. Toss in 10 grams of butter, because butter makes everything better. If you found this video helpful and enjoyed the content, please subscribe, hit that like button, give a thumbs up, and share my BitesWellness channel. Your support means the world to me. Now let's continue. Spread the buttery goodness in a bowl. Don't be shy. Cover it up and let it chill in the fridge for 30 minutes. Time for a snack break. Grab some room temperature butter. Butter up the inside of your ramekin. Give it a nice, even coat. Sprinkle sugar all around the bowl. Spin it like a sugar tornado. Quick poll, which country or region are you watching from? Drop your answer in the comments. I love hearing from you. Now whip those cold egg whites until fluffy clouds form. Add 30 grams of sugar, but do it in 2 or 3 rounds, slow and steady. Keep whipping until you get soft peaks. Think gentle waves, not mountaintops. Take your chilled batter and gently loosen it up. No rough moves. Mix a little meringue into the batter first. Think of it as a warm-up. Now pour that into the rest of the meringue and fold it together. Gently does it. Smooth the top. We want it looking sharp for the oven. Tidy up the edges one last time. Presentation points. Bake at 200 degrees Celsius for 10-13 minutes. Watch it puff up like magic. Dust with powdered sugar because why not? Dig in. It's so soft you won't believe your spoon. Seriously, it's even softer than it looks. Add a scoop of vanilla ice cream. The more, the merrier. The ice cream melts on top, making it extra creamy. Take a bite and poof, it melts away in your mouth. And there you have it, a melt-in-your-mouth vanilla soufflé with ice cream that's as good as Chez Napoleon in New York, La Regalade in Paris, France, and the Forge in Abu Dhabi, United Arab Emirates. So delicious. The smooth, creamy vanilla batter with a scoop of vanilla ice cream for extra yum. I hope you enjoy making these as much as I did. Remember, cooking is all about experimenting and finding what works for you. Here's my one final pro tip. Butter the ramekins thoroughly and coat them with sugar, using upward strokes to help the soufflé climb evenly during baking. Serve the soufflé immediately after baking, as it will begin to deflate quickly once out of the oven. I am sure you've enjoyed this recipe. Please subscribe, like, and share Bites Wellness. See you in my next video.